I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then your battery here. This will be your positive terminal, your negative terminal, and you can double check these on the battery as well, because there's a sign here for negative and there's a positive on this side as well. Next, I double check for any corrosion that needs cleaned up, which you could clean with a good brush or a rag. But clean these up nice, and then also make sure they're nice and tight, which you can do by tightening those bolts. Once it's cleaned up and tight, then with your jumper box or jumper cables, you can take your metal clamp and connect the positive directly to this metal here, and your negative clamp directly to the metal here. If you run into another vehicle, make sure this positive clamp runs directly to the positive on the other vehicle, and the negative clamp runs directly to the negative on the other vehicle. So if you get these crossed, even for a few seconds, that could cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, circuits, things like that. But that said, when these are all connected and you've had your other vehicle running for a few minutes, hopefully that's enough to get you started. If you're still having issues, double check that you've got a good connection. And if you've been doing this for quite a while and you're still having issues, you might need to replace this battery. What you could do, just have to take this air intake out, remove it, get it out of the way. And then once this is moved out of the way, just loosen these connections so the battery's accessible. Just lift the old battery out, stick your new battery in, and then reconnect these terminals nice and tight, and you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.